Office in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for significant accumulating snowfall and additional icy accumulations, which is in effect from 4 p.m. Tuesday to 10 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Snow will develop across the area late Tuesday afternoon and continue through Tuesday night. During the evening, warmer air aloft will change snow to freezing rain at times south of Columbus. The snow will taper off Wednesday morning, but gusty north winds may result in areas of blowing snow on Wednesday. Snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches, along with up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather.gov/ILN as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. The National